How to automate Facebook Messenger replies if you're using a business, then how you can simply do it step by step in this video. Open Meta Business Suite. Go to the Meta Business Suite. From the left hand menu, click on Inbox. Set up Instant Reply. In Inbox, click Automated Responses. Find Instant Reply and click Edit. Turn it on. When choose it applies Facebook Messenger, Instagram or both. Type your message like, "Thanks for reaching out. We will get back to you shortly." In meantime, check your FAQ here. Click Save Changes. Step 3 is set up FAQs, that is your frequently asked questions. In automated response, find and edit this thing. Add up to 5 questions your customer often asks. Provide short, helpful answers. For example, what are your hours? We are open Monday, Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Step 4 is set up away messages. In automated response, click on away message, enable it, and set a schedule. Customize the message like, "Hey, we are currently offline, but will respond during business hours. Thanks for your patience." Step 5 will be use third-party chatbot tools. Advanced. If you want full automation like product menu, lead form, or keyword triggered replies, try ManyChat, Chatfuel, Monkey, or anything else. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.